Hello, this is Lauren from LSP Actions. I'm just recording a quick video. I have to be super quiet because my kids are in bed. Just to show you this incredible image by Anna Brandt. And she's messaged me saying her client really wanted kind of a map background for this image. And she sparked this amazing inspiration into me. So I would like to introduce you to the new LSP Little Explorer action, which comes with a map and an action to apply your map. So you simply play the action. It comes up with a little instruction, so you say continue. Just grabbing it here. Resize the map to suit your image. It's got a border around it. You can always make it larger or smaller. I'm going to use the border here and hit enter. And as you watch, all the action will play out and set up a load of actions for you in a group to apply the map to your image. The brush is already selected for you on white. I recommend 100% opacity, 25% flow. The correct action is already selected for you. You don't have to click anything here to remove the map texture, but keep the colouring to your image. So I'm simply going to go over the subject, removing the map texture. One cool thing, if I click on the background here and hit W for Magic Wand, you see up here, if you've got the newest upgrade to Photoshop Creative Cloud, you can select subject. Photoshop will automatically try and figure out what your subject is. So this is going to really help me when we're moving the map from this little girl on the bowl. So I'm going to come back on here with my white brush and carry on removing the map now. It's made it a lot easier for me. So I can simply zoom in now and just lightly kind of either erase or add the map back in around this bowl here. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. As you can see, the original shadows and everything in this image have been retained, including the marble background that baby is on at the moment, which is absolutely gorgeous. But if you have colours in your background you don't wish to feature in the map, or you find they're distracting, you can simply come down here to paint sepia tone under the map, select a white brush, quite large, and just tone down anything in your background to make it match the colour of the map. Black to paint it off, white to paint it on. You can darken areas down, so I may want to darken this area here, lighten areas up, tone down any white, so if there's any highlights that are kind of blowing on the map, because obviously the map is quite a vintage looking map, so this will help you tone your image into the map. Bring up any blacks, if there's any areas where the blacks are a bit dark, you can bring those up here, any shadows or anything like that. Add extra detail to the map. If your map it comes out quite washed out, if you want to add any more extra detail in, you can simply colour over here. It's entirely up to you, or you could add it in, select areas. If there's an area of the map you really want to bring out, it's entirely your call. And brighten face. This baby is Anna's image straight out of the camera, as you can see, so this is unedited. Her straight out of camera images are just so beautiful. So this baby has had no editing yet, but I just couldn't wait to show you. So this is just to kind of brighten up the face there. You can also take the map off entirely with a black brush to bring some of the natural tones back into your image, say for example here these whites, but in this case I prefer it with the tone of the map over baby. I think it means baby blends in quite well. I may take a tiny bit off with a low flow brush just here. Okay. So that is the LSP Little Explorer map overlay action. And then you can carry on and edit your baby. You can also go back at any time and switch it on and off a bit, see is there anywhere I wish to paint, is there anything odd going on, and you can just paint and paint until you're happy before you flatten. So I'm going to just merge those layers. So before and after. I love this, and I'm so thankful to Anna Brandt for giving me the super quick inspiration injection to create this for you this evening.